Music rocks! Yeah!
Well, hello and welcome to Cinco de Mayo, Part 2. Now, okay, Cinco de Mayo is a Spanish holiday of some kind. It's the 5th of May. I don't exactly know what they do, because it's not one that I usually celebrate. But this is a play on words. Cinco, I know in Spanish is spelled C-I-N-C-O, and they are spelling it S-Y-N-C-O, because it's a play on words. It's supposed to look like syncopation, which is the idea we're learning about. Remember sipping the coffee off the beat? Yeah, well, anyway. Now, another thing that they suggest that we do with this lesson, which I very much like, is to go back to some of our very first songs we learned with our very first chords and use the new strum patterns on the old ones. So let's turn back to page 7 and take a look at number 5, Water Come Me I. Oh, wait. Producer Barbie just looked up some information about Cinco de Mayo. Let's listen. Here, Barbie, do you want to read it or do you want me to?
It is, the date is observed to commemorate the Mexican Army's victory over the French Empire at the Battle of Puebla on May 5th, 1862, under the leadership of General
Ignacio? Okay, well, apparently it's to commemorate a war victory. Way to go, Wikipedia. Thank you, producer Barbie. Did you know that she's usually hanging out right behind me while I'm filming all this stuff? I know, it's nervous. I'm actually a little shy about performing in public. And so I've always kind of got a little tiny piece of public right here, but it's Barbie, so it's different. Okay, so here we go. Water Come On Me I with the new strum pattern. And we're just going to kind of take this slowly and go through. You want to use the 3-string version of the C chord, just like we did in the very beginning. That might be an easier start while you're focusing on the new strum pattern. Of course, you can use the fuller version, 5 strings if you'd like, and you can use the 1 string for G7, or let me just remind you that the relationship between the C chord here, you can kind of hear, if I hammer on like that, you can kind of hear what they sound like, and then it's an expansion. We're going to bring these two up and that one down, so the whole hand just kind of explodes out for the G7 chord and contracts back in for the C chord. That's what we're going to deal with here. So try the full chords if you like. And let's try it kind of nice and slow. Ready? Here we go. You know what? Actually, I'm just going to strum this because I think I'd like to bring in a special guest singer, Mr. Böck. Mr. Böck, welcome to the show. Very nice to have you here. Are you ready to sing? All right, we're going to get started. Here we go. It looks like he's ready. You know, we should do this with a metronome too. Let's see. How about 80? Now let's go faster. 100. Dun 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 dun. Let's try it like that. Ready? So 1, 2, ready, go.
Every time I remember Liza, water come on me eye. Every time I think of Liza, water come on me eye. Come back, Liza, come back, gal. Water come on me eye. Liza, come back, gal. Water come on me eye.
Back to C.
Liza, come back, gal. Water come on me eye. Come back, Liza, come back, gal. Water come on me eye.
Alright, bravo, thank you, Mr. Böck. All right, give it a try on your own, and let me know how it's going. Put some comments in the comment section. I'd love to hear how it's going. And that's all for right now. Good job.
How was that? Pretty good? Is that a wrap? I think we're good for today. Everybody, great job. That's a wrap. Nice work. Real solid. Great.